Hollywood heartthrob Tom Cruise's million-dollar smile can leave anyone spellbound. The actor lived up to his action star credentials as he arrived by helicopter in London before heading out for a spot of shopping. In the latest pictures, the Top Gun, Maverick star, 60 has left fans in awe with his breathtaking smile and a friendly wave as he touched down in the UK to film the 8th installment of the Mission Impossible series. The War of the Worlds actor, who recently turned 60, arrived in the capital via chopper and sported in a chic black ensemble with a functional black backpack and his trademark aviator shades. The ageless star appeared to be in good spirits as he stepped out in Battersea and joked with the waiting staff. The more relaxed day for Tom comes after he surprised hikers this week when he parachuted from a mountain in the Lake District while filming Mission Impossible 8.